Good morning, everyone. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths Sutra. Today, we are going to see 15th lecture of functions of boundary variation. So, till now, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel for such type of interesting topics, subscribe it immediately. Okay. So, let's start today's lecture now. Today, we are going to see very important result by which we will solve a question. Okay, in this lecture. So, what is the result? Let f from closed interval AB to R. When I write closed interval AB means A, P are real numbers, okay? And A is still less than B. B a function of bounded variation okay? Then BFAB is given by supremum taken over open interval AB, okay, of BFAX plus FB minus FX. Okay, I am taking supremum of this. Okay. Okay, no problem. You do not want to put back it here. So you can write, we will write in this form. Okay? In this form. This slightly different form. Supremum of BFAX plus FB minus FX such that X belongs to open interval AB. That is okay. Is equal to supremum of Fx minus Fa plus BFXB, okay, such that X belongs to open interval A. Okay, so this is the result. Let's say it is a theorem because this is a big result we will use to solve some question by this. Okay, so let's prove it. Okay, we know that for any X such that X in between A and B, we have BFAX plus BFXB is always equal to BFAB. We know it, but we know that this part is always less than, this part is always less than. So I am writing in this line, next line. Okay. But fb minus fx is less than bfxb. So this implies you put the value here. So we have, so this implies bfx will remain as it is. bfx will remain as it is. Okay. Remain as it is. Okay. Plus fb minus fx is less than bfax plus bfxb. This is equal to bfab. Okay. So what does it mean? It means this implies BAFAX plus FB minus FX is less than equal BFAB. Okay. This is true for all x belongs to A, B, open interval. So this implies supremum will be supremum of BFAX plus FB minus FX plus that x belongs to open interval A, B is less than equal to BFAB. Let's say it equation number 1. So one direction we have proved this is less than. In another direction we will prove that this is greater than. Then this will be equal. Okay. Okay. Next, let P is equal to AX naught, X1, X2, Xn minus 1, Xn is equal to B, BA, BA, BA partition of closed interval AB. Okay. Then SP, then SP SP is equal to this summation I goes to 1 to n f xi minus f xi minus 1. Okay. So I can break it in two parts. Summation I go 1 to n minus 1 f xi minus f xi minus 1 plus f xn minus f xn minus 1. Okay. What is this? This is I goes to 1 to n minus 1 fxi minus fxi minus 1. Action is B. Okay, this is good. So what we got? We got SP is equal to summation I goes to 1 to n minus 1 f xi f xi minus 1 plus f b f x n minus 1. Okay, no, but here A is equal to x naught, x1, x2 up to xn is partition of closed interval a xn minus 1. We have because this is partition of closed interval a xn minus 1. So what we can write here? So this implies SP. So let's say it's P naught. So this is SP naught plus S FB minus FX. N minus 1. Okay. But this will be SP naught is a partition of AX and minus 1. This will be always less than B F A X and minus 1. Okay. But this will be always less than supremum. B F A X and X plus FB minus FX. Because we are taking X belongs to open interval AB. And xn is also belongs to open interval. Xn minus 1 is also belongs to open interval. So we are varying points here. So taking x is equal to n minus 1, we will taking x is equal to xn minus 1. That is the particular element of this family. But we are taking supremum. So supremum will be greater. Okay. So this implies SP less than equal to supremum B F A X plus F B minus Fx such that X belongs to. So now we are taking supremum over. Supremum you take over the partition. Now we are taking supremum over P partitions of SP. That will be less than. Okay. But this is nothing but what is this? Because f is a function of bounded variation. So what is this? This is BF AB. This is BF AB. So this is less than. So let's say equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, we get what we get? From equation 1 and 2, we get BFAB is equal to supremum BFAX plus FB minus FX such that X belongs to open interval AB. Okay. So we have proved that this. Similarly, we can prove that I'm not proving the another fact. This similarly we can prove that BFAB is equal to supremum of Fx minus Fa plus BFXB where X belongs to open interval A. We can also prove in a similar manner as we have proved the first one. Okay. So finally, what we got? Similarly, we can also prove this. Okay. So finally, we have BFAB is equal to supremum of BFAX plus FB minus FX. Okay. Such that X belongs to open interval AB. That is also equal to supremum of F X minus FA plus plus BFXB. Okay, X belongs to open interval AB. So finally, we have proved this. Okay, this result will be used in solving an example. Okay? So I am writing example. Compute variation positive, negative, functions, variation, functions for f given by fx is equal to minus x for all x in this range, where this is greatest integer function or ceiling function, oh, floor function. Where this is greatest integer function or floor function. Okay. So we need to compute variation function, positive and negative variation functions. Okay. So solution. Okay. Now let's we expand f in subintervals. Okay. So what is fx? So if you take your x in this range, so greatest integer function in this range will be 0, and this is just nothing but x. So this will be x. Now, if we are taking our x in this range, so what will be the greatest integer function? It will be 1. So it will be 1 minus x. And x is equal to, for x is equal to 0 and 1, sorry, x is equal to 1 and 2. One and 2, it is 0. Because, okay, because at x is equal to 1, greatest integer function is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. At x is equal to 2, it is 2, so 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So you see that f is discontinuous at x is equal to 1 and 2. Okay. So on on the interval 1 0 to 1, this is open. F is monotonically decreasing on this interval. Okay. How to? So then what will be? This is monotonically increasing. So what will be f0x? Then for all x such that x in this range, we have this will be because function is monotonically decreasing. This will be f0 minus fx. But this is nothing but f0 is 0, and what is fx in this range? Minus x. This is minus x. So what you will get? X you got. Okay. But we know when your x is in this range 0 to in the closed interval 0 to 1 open, then this function is 0. This function. So adding this function will not affect anything. Okay. So we have this one for all x such that x I am taking in this range, because in this range the function floor function is 0 or greatest integer function is 0. So writing this function will not affect anything. Okay. Okay. So I have written this. Now what is v0 f01? This will be supremum of vf0x plus f1 minus fx. X belongs to open interval 0, 1. What is this? This is nothing but x. And what is this? F1 is 0. And this is minus x. Okay. Such that x belongs to open interval 0, 1. So this is supremum x plus, what will be this? This will be mod x. X belongs to open interval 0, 1. So this is supremum of x plus x such that x belongs to open interval 0, 1. So this is supremum of 2x, x belongs to open interval 0, 1. So this is 2. So what will be the supremum? So 2 is positive, I can take it outside. X belongs to open interval 0, 1. So what is this supremum? This supremum is 1. So 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Is equal to 2. So this implies VF0, 1 is equal to 2. Okay. But that can also be, but this can also be received by this, putting 1 here, okay, and 1 here. Okay. So what we can say? This we can say F0 x is equal to this mod x plus x for all x such that x in this range. Okay. Now on the interval 1, 2 open. Okay. F is monotonically decreasing on this interval. Then for for any x such that in this range we have bf1x is equal to, this is monotonically increasing, f1 minus fx. So f1 is 0, and this is, what is this? This is x. Okay. So this is x. So f1 is equal to, at f1 it is 0. So let me check again. So at 1 minus, it is 1 minus x at 1 to 2 interval. So it is monotonically decreasing. So we are writing 0, then minus, we are writing 0 minus minus. So at in this interval, this is not this. This is 1 minus x. Okay. This is 1 minus x. So let's write it. This is minus 1 plus x. Okay. Okay. So what is BF1 2? That is supremum of BF1x plus F2 minus Fx, where x belongs to open interval 1 to. Okay. So what is this? What is this? This is 1 minus f. And what is f2? This is 0. Okay. And in this it is what is this? 1 minus x. X belongs to 1 to. So this is supremum minus 1 plus x. And this will be come out. This is 1 minus x. Okay. So when it will come out in mod, what will be this? Because I am taking x from this interval. This will be, after coming out of this, it will be x minus 1. So this is supremum 2x minus So I can take 2 common. So what is the supremum then? What is the supremum then? Supremum is, I can put 2 here because when we change to 2, it will give you one value. So this is 2. So this is BF1, 2 is this. Okay, 2. So this implies BF1, 2 is equal to 2. Now, what is BF0 x? If I am taking 4x in this range, this will be equal to BF0, 1, BF1x. What is this? This is x. And what is this? This is, let me check. Then what is this? 1 minus x. Let me check it. So this is equal to, this is f1 minus fx. F1 is 0. So this is this. So minus 1 plus x. Minus 1. So this is x. So in this interval, x is monotonically decreasing for any x. Let me check again. This is in this interval. It is 0, then it is negative, decreasing, and as x is equal to 1, it is 0. So monotonically decreasing. So f0 minus fx. Fx value is minus 1 plus x. Minus 1 plus x. No, this is 0 to 1. 0 to 1 value is, 0 to 1 value is given. Let me check. F0 to 1 value is given 2. So I am to put here 2. So this is 2. This is 2 here. And this is what? This is minus 1. This is minus 1. This is minus 1 plus x. So after solving it, what you will get? 1 plus x for all x in this range. but if you take say floor function in this range, it gives value 1. So in place of 1, I can write this function. For all. Now, now what about f02? This is equal to f01 plus f0, sorry, 1, 2. 1. So this is value 2. We have already calculated. This is also 2. This is 4. But this can be achieved by this. But this can be obtained by help of ceiling function. How? In ceiling function, the true value is 2. The true value is 2. Okay. After it come out, it will give L2. Okay. So it is 4. So this implies my function bfx is nothing but mod x plus x for all x belongs to close interval 0 to 2. Okay. Because we have verified, okay, that it's the value of bf0x comes by this way. So bfx is equal to this. Okay. So I am writing in detail. This implies finally we get bf0x equal to this. This implies bfx is equal to mod x ceiling floor function plus x for all x belongs to close interval 0 to. Okay. But so we have found variation function. Variation function is obtained. Okay. Now what is fx? Fx is nothing but this for all x belongs to close interval 0 to. Now we have to find positive variation function, that is 1 by 2 upon bfx plus fx. So then what will be the positive variation function? You add them and divide by 2. When we will add them, x will be cancelled out. So this is equal to 1 by 2. What is this bfx function? This is s plus x. And what is f function? So x will be cancelled out. 1 by 2 to this. So this is so px is equal to this for all x belongs to. And what is negative variation function? And Qx is equal to 1 by 2 Bfx minus fx. So what is this? This is plus x. And what is this? This is minus x. So this will be cancelled out. So 1 by 2 x plus x. So this is 1 by 2 2x. It is x. So Qx is equal to overall x belongs to closed interval 0 to 6. So we have found out negative variation functions also. Okay. So in this lecture we have studied a derivation. Okay. By using that we have found the variation function, positive variation function and negative variation function. Okay, question in which f was discontinuous. Okay. So today's lecture up to this. If you have any problem related to this lecture, you can comment me on my YouTube channel. So thank you very much for today's lecture. Like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for today's lecture. Thank you very much.